Do you know what picture is it about?
Yes. This is a monster. One eyes. This is a horse. This is a sheep. This is a puppy. This is a pig. This is a cow. This is a rooster. This is a hen and a chick. This is a duck and a duckling.
Okay.
And
Apple trees?
an apple tree and a wagon
A
and
tractor?
a tractor and a cat.
Okay, answer my question. What's the weather in the picture?
It's sunny.
Okay, and what is the big doing?
The
What is the big doing?
is
Drinking?
drinking water,
What is the duck doing?
swimming
Swimming where?
on a pond.
Yeah, good job. And can you see the monster?
Yes,
How many eyes did the monster have?
one.
One eyes. And can you see the apple tree?
Yes,
How many apples on the tree?
many apples.
Yeah, many apples. What color are these apples?
It's red.
Red. Do you like eating apples?
See,
Why do you like it?
it is yummy, juicy, and rich in vitamins.
Yeah. Do you know where is the rooster?
Yes,
Where is it? Where is the
it's
rooster?
on here.
Next to
It's
the
here,
next to the
next to the house.
house. And where is the donkey? You can see that
It's next to a cat.
next to the cart. And do you know what color are the pigs?
It's pink.
A pink. Do you know? Do you know where are the sheep?
It's
Where are the sheep? Around the fence.
brown fence.
Yeah. What color is the fence?
It's red.
Yeah. Do you
It's
know?
hơi bìa.
How is the pig? How do the pig feel?
Happy.
Happy or surprised?
Happy. Surprise.
Surprised. And do you know how does the monkey feel?
No.
Monster. How do the monster feel?
Happy.
Why the monster happy? Do you know that?
It's a farm.
The monster on the farm. There are many animals, so
Yeah.
the monster is very happy.
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to live on the farm or in the house with me?
On
I
house.
like
I live in a house.
with family.
Yes.
Why? Why don't you live on the farm with animals? Because
It has monster.
you scare the monster.
Yes.
Oh, why do you like to live with family? Because
It
has
rice.
rice. Anything else?
Yes. Red.
Red?
Cháo để ăn là gì? Cháo
Soup.
and soup and cookies.
Thank you.